Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a video today on foundation application. So if you want to see how I do my foundation, please watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop your comments down below, and also don't forget to share. I love you all. So guys, I did my eyebrow off camera, so let's get right into the foundation routine right now. So what I'll be using is a flat brush, a beauty blender, and a foundation brush. So using the flat brush, I'm going to take a little bit of the foundation and then apply it to the outer corners of my, I'm sorry, I already applied my face primer already. The face primer I used is from Hush Beauty. It's a Nigerian brand. So, and it's, no, the face primer I used, sorry, is Ewaronke. It's a Nigerian brand, and it's so perfect. It blends well, it glides well, it makes you apply your foundation so smoothly and perfectly. So using the flat brush, I'll be applying my foundation at the outer corners of my face, and after I do that, I'm going to be using my foundation brush from Zoeva. It's their buffer brush 101, I guess. Okay, so I'll be using that, and I hope you guys can see it, and I'll use it to blend in my foundation into the skin. Just take your time, because you want to blend everything in perfectly. And take one step at a time. When I finish doing this, I'm going to use my beauty blender and then dab it into the skin. It's just that simple and easy. Dab it into the skin to make it sink in, and then again we'll go over, we'll repeat the same step, starting from the outer corners. Ever since I learned this procedure, I think life has been better when it comes to foundation application, because it makes everything so easy. Once again, using the beauty blender, dab it in. Then we go over again. I hope you can see me. If you want to know how I did my eyebrow, I have a video. I would try to link it in the description box if I can, but if I can't, I would really appreciate if you go back through my videos and watch my previous video. I think you're going to enjoy it better. So after doing this, go back in with, guys, I did my makeup off camera. I completed the whole look off camera. I hope I taught someone something new today when it comes to foundation application. Please don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to drop your comments down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, and Merry Christmas. Have a prosperous New Year. Bye.